Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with the most important thing in this whole video, which is internet connection. So make sure that you've got the connection to the Wi-Fi or you're using the mobile data, and then we can enter the settings. It is because that thanks to the internet connection, your device will be actually able to check for any kind of updates. So in the settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the software update. Let's tap on it. And your device will right now check for any kind of updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where our device is actually showing us that that everything is okay, and this is our and that our software is up to date. And you've got also the second scenario where your device will show you that there is an update which you can download. It will also show you the information what is new in this update, what has been fixed, what they added, etc. And somewhere here you will have this download or install icon, so you'll be able to freely tap on it and download the update. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.